Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Hi. You want more information about how to install Plex? These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to install Plex is www.engadget.com. Specifically the page titled How to, Setting up a Plex Environment, in Engadget. Here's the link. You can also try www.ilovefreesoftware.com, especially the page Plex, How to Set Up Plex Media Server Free Software. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see httpcbuild.com. The web page Plex Media Server Install Guide for Windows, httpcbuild.com. This is the link.